Okay, yeah. This car is actually really fast.
I got APR Stage 2, burn about 340 horsepower and 370 foot-pounds of torque. Alright, so I got a 3.5-inch catless downpipe. I got a Typhoon intake, EV Plus diverted valve, a Miltec catback exhaust, H&R lowering springs, got a front APR front sway bar, H&R rear sway bar, 034 dogbone mount insert.
Sport mode, traction is off. We're going to turn traction back on. Okay, yeah. This car is actually really fast. Like really fast. And it's a joy to drive. It's just like the TT. Oh, the noises it makes are just absolutely gorgeous noises.